Where was your love when my heart was broken into pieces? Aigi thamoina machet tana kaiba kanda nangi nungsiba kadaida laikhige. My love was in your heart, trying to stitch those broken pieces into one. Aigi nungshibado nangi thamoy nungda lay. Akaiba machet singdubu amattu oina photnaba honaki. Where did you go when I wanted to rest on your lap? Nang kadaida chatke aina nangi natambakta pothaningba kanda. I was sitting just beside you, but you didn't see me because your eyes were closed. Ay nangi nanakmakta phammi adubu nangna ay ukide maramdi nang mit wisalami. Where should I look or search for you when my heart needs you? Aigi thamoina nangbu darkar laiba kanda ay nangbu kadaida thigani. Look right into your heart and you will always find me looking at your eyes. Nangi thamoy nungda adumak yengu aibu matam khudingmakta nangi mitta yengduna phangani or lairamgani. Where will I go when I feel sad? Ay nungaitaba kanda kadaida chatkani. Come into my heart, you will always find unending joy. Ay thamoy nungda lau loiba naidaba harauba nangidamakta phangani. Where did you run away when I do something wrong? Aina karigumba aranba ama tauba kanda nang kadaida chenkhige. I just came out of your heart because I can't stay in a dirty heart. Ay nangi thamoydagi thoklakhi maramdi ay amotpa thamoyda laiba ngamde. Where must I go to find you again? Nangbu amuk pangnaba ay kadaida chatkani. You don't need to go anywhere. I am just beside you. Call me with a sincere heart, and I will jump right into your heart. Nang mapam amatada chatpagi darkar laite, ay nangi hek nak lay. Thamoy sengna da kauru nangi thamoy da phat chongsalakani. Where did I go when my heart was dirty? Ay gi thamoy na motpa kanda ay kadaida chatke. You tried to run far away from me, but I kept chasing you because I always want to be with you. Nang aigi ipamdagi yam thapna chenaba hotnai, adubu ay nangbu adum tanai maramdi ay nanga adum laiba pami. I am very sorry. I will never run away from you. Ay yam lan kray ay nangondagi amuk hanna chelaroy. Don't worry, I am always here for you. I'm warunu matam khudingmakta ay nakmagtadalay. Thank you, my Lord and God, for loving me. ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯆꯔꯤ ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯚꯨ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯏꯁꯣꯔ ꯑꯩꯕꯨ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯕꯤꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ. Thank you. Please subscribe, like, share, comment, and press the notification bell. ꯊꯧꯖꯥꯟꯕꯤꯗꯨꯅ subscribe ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯌꯨ, like and comment ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯌꯨ, notification bell ꯗꯨꯁꯨ ꯅꯝꯕꯤꯌꯨ. Thank you and see you. Bye bye.